Hi, I'm Cheryl and I am obsessed with making dolls. I couldn't find videos on the types that I want to make, so I'm putting a video out to see if anybody's interested in what I've come up with and how I've ended up with my dolls. This little fellow is made from calico. It's so cheap to make, and the patterns I've made fairly simple. This was the first cat I made, and I saw a Russian lady doll maker make something similar, and I fell in love with it, so I made a pattern for myself. And this is how it turned out. I decided to see what it would look like in a printed material, and then they just kept evolving. If you're interested in my journey of making animals, watch the next video. Bye.